in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to paste text into a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is copy the text from your origination source and then select inside your presentation where you want to paste it, and then right click, and then you can select the paste option to keep the text, or if there's any formatting, you can select those options as well. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control V key on your keyboard as well to paste it in from your clipboard, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.